I know how annoying browser pop-ups can be, or ads, while playing your favorite game or working with an app. Well, let's change that. First, open Google Browser. On the top right side, there should be 3 vertical dots. Tap on them. Locate Settings and click on it. Scroll down and look for Site Settings. When you find it, click on it. Search for pop-ups and redirects and open it. Now just click to turn off pop-ups, and that's it. If you ever want to turn pop-ups and redirects back on, just follow the same steps and click to turn them back on. On your phone's home screen, scroll down from the top of the screen. There should be a gear icon on the right side. Click on it. If you don't see the gear icon, scroll all the way down the tab and see if it appears in the bottom right. Alternatively, you can go back to the home screen and scroll up from the bottom of the screen to find the settings icon. Once you are in the settings menu, click on the search bar or search icon and type DNS. This should bring up private DNS. Click on it. Click on private DNS again. There should be 3 options: off, automatic, and private DNS provider hostname, or in some cases, private DNS configuration. Select the third option, and in the text field enter dns.adguard.com. Click the Save button, and that's it. I hope that helps.